Hi, welcome to Nasware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to freeze column in Microsoft Excel. First, in here, I will show you to create some document in Excel, and sometime we need to freeze the column. In here, I have many data in here, and then we can just make like this. This is just for example, and we need to make a column freeze. For example, we want to create detail like this, number blah blah in here, and to make a column freeze you can choose a specific column for you want to freeze. For example, I want to this column freeze in here, in top and in the left side. So I click this and choose a view, and then choose freeze pens and click freeze pens in here and voila. And if you scroll down, the column will freeze, or if you scroll right, the column also will freeze like this. Okay, that's all tutorial how to freeze column in Microsoft Excel. If you want to unfreeze, you can just click like this in here and then just freeze and unfreeze pins, voila. So you can back here like this. That's all tutorial how to freeze column in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, hope this helpful. Bye bye.